MeghalayaPost.news.
Menteri Surkar ke Jela ubak Sanbor Shulai minta ke Sngew Pynban ba udap dak mensiam jong ke Sngew lenggo ba ke parti VPP ke Pyrshah ne ke daw yo menteri rang ba ke Jela Assam Himanta biswa sarma ha ke jingwan Shim Bynta jong u kumukongsan ha ke leniam Behdienkhlam ha jowai ha ba kran skilat pathai kubor ubak Sanbor Shulai ulong ba ke ni ke jingwat daw ke parti VPP yo Himanta biswa sarma Sngew Thamula Pynban bat ke ba Sngew yahap setia namar ke jingwan Shim Bynta jong u ha ke te ke leniam Behdienkhlam kumukongsan ka de ke jingkhat Bahaga Sinra Jowai ulong ru baga jingwan Shim Bynta jong u hakate gele niam Behdienkhlam kamdon ka jinga dei satia bat ki kampan bejput penbej sam namaria kani ka kampan bejput kade ka kamram jong Surkar Assam ban Meghalaya baladeb ru bantung da ka komiti halor ki kampan bejput bandong ban Pyrshah ne wat daw ya ka jingwan Shim Bynta hakane gele niam Behdienkhlam kalong ka ba Sngew yahap satia namar hakanu kunu ka jingle niam la banwan manu habaki kwa banwan ong uba Sanbor Shulai bat benrap ru nadu ki riu shimen kisang bhalang ni ki political party kidanya ka hok ban kuran penpau ya kinu kimat ki jura ki bakta ki patba henroi ban Pyrshah habawan Shim Bynta hakate geleniam Behdienkhlam kalong ka Sngew Thamula.
Yes, we feel so embarrassed with, that the the party they have opposed the visit of Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Sarma, as a chief guest to witness the great festival of the Pnar community, the Behdienkhlam. Yesterday, I was also with him on other Deputy Chief Minister, local MLA. We are all together. But I feel so funny that they allege that Himanta Sarma should solve the boundary issue and the party they have opposed the visit of Dr. Himanta Sarma, Chief Minister of Assam, as a chief guest for this great festival of the Pnar community, which is not connected with the border issue. The Sindrai, Joai, they have invited him to visit, to witness the greatest festival of the Pnar Behdienkhlam as a chief guest. So to publish this kind of protest regarding his visit to the chief minister, we feel so shy, we feel funny. So everybody, an individual, NGOs or the political party, they have got every right to raise any issues with the state government and even with the government of Assam, but they should not protest his visit. His visit in this festival as the chief guest. It is not connected with the border issues. The border issues, there is a committee constituted by the government. If there are any suggestion, any protest in writing, or they can go to the government, to the concerned committee constituted by the state government on the border dispute. So all these things I want to say that we feel so we feel so funny that the political party like a PRA, they have given all this statement which is not accepted by the people of our state.
MeghalayaPost.news.